Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Kottayam District Kerala, nature's palette of hills and waterways. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Kottayam District, officially titled Kottayam District Kerala, Nature's Palette of Hills and Waterways, is a vibrant region in central Kerala that beautifully blends rolling highlands, winding rivers, and tranquil lakes, earning its reputation as a microcosm of Kerala's natural diversity and cultural richness. Situated between latitudes 930 N and 10 N and longitudes 7630 E and 77 E, Kottayam lies in the heart of Kerala, bordered by the districts of Ernakulam to the north, Alappuzha to the west, Pathanamthitta to the south, and Idukki to the east, with the Western Ghats framing its eastern edge and backwaters of Vembanadu Lake lugging its western fringe. The area, now known as Kottayam, has ancient roots traced to the early Christian settlements of the 1st century AD, was part of the medieval kingdom of Kottayam ruled by the Thampans, later came under the control of the Trivandrum princely state, and after independence it became a district of Kerala on 1st July 1957, retaining many of its historic churches and palaces as cultural landmarks. Kottayam experiences a tropical monsoon climate with high humidity, average temperatures ranging from 22 degrees C to 32 degrees C, a heavy southwest monsoon from June to September, delivering most of its annual rainfall of about 3,200 mm, a brief northeast monsoon in October-November, and a relatively cool dry season from December to February. The district does not have its own commercial airport. The nearest major gateway is Cochin International Airport (COK), located roughly 90 km to the north, while Trivandrum International Airport lies about 160 km to the south. Additionally, a proposed Sabrimala Greenfield Airport is planned for Kottayam but is not yet operational. According to the 2021 census, Kottayam district has a population of approximately 1.9 million people, with a population density of around 880 persons per square kilometer, reflecting a balanced mix of urban centers such as Kottayam city and extensive rural settlements spread across its 2,188 square kilometer area. The residents of Kottayam are predominantly Malayali, with a harmonious blend of Hindus, Christians, and Muslims. The district is renowned for its historic churches, temples, and mosques, and religious festivals such as Onam, Christmas, and Eid are celebrated with great enthusiasm, underscoring the community's communal harmony. Malayalam is the official language and the primary medium of communication, while English is widely used in education, government, and tourism. Minority languages such as Tamil, Kannada, and a small community of speakers of Syriac are also present, and a basic understanding of Hindi can be useful for interstate traders. Kottayam's Cultural tapestry includes traditional performing arts like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and the folk dance Kottayam Tullal, as well as vibrant music, literature, and a strong tradition of handcrafted brassware, coir products, and the annual Kottayam boat race that showcases its deep connection to waterways. The district boasts a well-developed education network comprising government and private schools, higher secondary colleges, and institutions of higher learning such as the Kottayam Medical College, the Government Engineering College, the Mahatma Gandhi University, and numerous vocational training centers that cater to a wide range of academic pursuits. The cost of living in Kottayam is moderate, lower than Kerala's major metropolitan areas, primarily because housing, food, and public transport are affordable. The district's strong agricultural base and relatively lower commercial real estate demand contribute to these reasonable price levels. Kottayam's per capita income is estimated at around rupees 1.2 lakh per annum, slightly above the state average, driven by remittances, income from rubber and spice cultivation, and a growing tourism sector. The district contributes to the state tax revenues through GST, property taxes, and professional levies. Administratively, the district is headed by a district collector and a district panchayat. Politically, it is represented by MLAs from the assembly constituencies of Yettumanur, Kottayam, Puthupally, Pala, Kadathuruthi, Vaikom, and it sends a single member of parliament to the Lok Sabha from the Kottayam parliamentary constituency. State initiatives such as the Kottayam Development Plan, Rubber Rejuvenation Mission, Digital Kerala, and various welfare schemes for farmers, women, and youth aim to boost infrastructure, modernize agriculture, promote digital services, and enhance employability across the district. Kottayam district is divided into 5 taluks: Chenganacheri, Kajirappalli, Kottayam, Meenachil, Vaikom, each serving as an administrative hub for revenue collection, land registration, and local governance. The district is crisscrossed by several important rivers, including the Meenachil River, Mavattupuzha River, Manimala River, which flow into the expansive Vembanadu Lake, Kerala's longest lake, forming a dense network of backwaters, canals, and tributaries that support irrigation, fisheries, and inland navigation. Kottayam's natural wealth includes fertile alluvial soils along its river valleys, extensive rubber plantations, mineral deposits of laterite and silica sand, abundant water resources from its rivers and lakes, and rich biodiversity in the Western Ghats, all of which sustain agriculture, industry, and tourism. Key tourist highlights encompass the picturesque Arivikuli waterfalls, the scenic Yalavula Punjira hill station, the historic Punjar Palace, the revered Vaiko Mahadeva temple, the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary and Vembanadu Lake, the cascading Marmala waterfalls, the tranquil Vembanadu itself, the ancient Illikal Kallur rock formation, the quaint Malakkal village, the historic Talatangudi Juma Masjid, and the lush Vagamam hills. Major urban centers include the district headquarters Kottayam city as well as the towns of Chenganassery, Yettamanur, Vaikom, Pala, Kaduturthi, Kumaranallur, and Kumarakom, each serving as commercial, educational, and cultural hubs for their surrounding hinterlands. Employment in Kottayam is generated primarily through rubber tapping, agriculture including rice, pepper, cardamom, ginger, areca nut, coffee, and tea, tourism, education, healthcare, retail, and a growing IT and service sector with additional opportunities in small scale industries such as coir processing and bamboo weaving. While large-scale mining is limited, the district extracts laterite, sand, and silica for construction and glass manufacturing. These activities are regulated by the Kerala State Mineral Development Corporation to ensure sustainable use and environmental protection. The industrial landscapes features primary sectors such as agriculture and fishing, secondary sectors including rubber-based industries, tea processing, spice milling, and brick kilns, and tertiary sectors encompassing retail, healthcare, education, finance, and tourism-related services. Agriculture in Kottayam is dominated by rubber plantations, complemented by rice cultivation in the lowlands and spice crops such as pepper, cardamom, ginger, and a variety of other cash crops like areca nut, coffee, and tea, supported by the region's abundant rainfall and fertile soils. Trade is centered on the export of rubber, spices, tea, and fish, with weekly markets in Kottayam, Chenganacheri, and Pala facilitating the exchange of goods. The district's proximity to the ports of Kochi and the upcoming Sabrimala airport enhances its commercial connectivity. Kottayam offers attractive incentives for investors in agro-processing, eco-tourism, renewable energy, and IT services, including land subsidies, tax exemptions, and streamlined clearances through agencies like the Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation, KSIDC, and the Kottayam Industrial Development Authority. The district operates under Kerala state legislation, including the Kerala Panchayat Raj Act, the Kerala Building Rules, and the environmental statutes enforced by the Kerala Pollution Control Board, coastal and water body regulations, protect the fragile backwater ecosystem, and guide urban development. Kottayam is well connected by National Highway 183, NH 183, that runs through the district, complemented by a network of state highways and rural roads. The railway line features stations such as Kottayam, Chenganacheri, Yettumanur, Vaikom Road, Karupandara, Kaduturthi Halt, Kumaranallur, Singavanam, linking the district to major cities, while water transport on Vambanad Lake provides scenic connectivity. The Indian rupee INR is the legal tender, and the district hosts branches of national banks such as State Bank of India, Canara Bank, and private banks like HDFC and ICICI, offering ATM services, loans, digital banking facilities to residents and businesses. Visitors can choose from a range of accommodations, including heritage hotels, housed in former colonial bungalows, lakeside resorts on Vambanadu, budget guest houses, and homestays in rural settings. Many establishments emphasize eco-friendly practices and showcase local architecture and cuisine. A local SIM card can be obtained from authorized retailers of Reliance Jio, Airtel, or BSNL by presenting a valid identity proof, Aadhaar or passport, and address verification. The process is quick and provides access to high speed data essential for navigation and communication while traveling in the district. Traditional attire such as the dhoti and lungi for men and sari or mundu for women is common, especially during festivals. Visitors are advised to dress modestly when entering religious sites, remove footwear before entry, and greet elders with a respectful namaskaram or vanakkam. Kottayam's cuisine is a flavorful blend of Malabar spices featuring dishes like Kottayam fish curry, rubber plantation chicken, Kerala style beef fry, appam with stew, and an abundance of coconut based preparations. The district is also famous for its sweet halwa and the Kottayam banana chips. It is advisable to hire a car or scooter for flexibility, especially for exploring the hill stations and backwaters. During the monsoon, road conditions can be slippery, so travelers should check weather updates and avoid night driving in remote areas. Local buses, auto rickshaws, and boat services are reliable for short distances. Do's and don'ts. Do respect local customs, keep the backwaters clean, and support local artisans by purchasing handcrafted coir and spices products. Don't litter, feed wildlife, or engage in activities that harm the marine environment, such as illegal sand mining or coral picking. Indian nationals need a valid ID for domestic trade, while foreign tourists must possess a passport, a valid Indian visa, and a travel itinerary. A COVID 19 vaccination certificate may be requested at entry points, and it is advisable to carry a copy of accommodation bookings and emergency contact numbers. A typical 5-day itinerary could include day 1, arrival at Cochin Airport, transfer to Kottayam, check-in, and stroll around Kottayam city. Day 2, visit Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary and a backwater Kuraisi on Vembanad Lake. Day 3, explore the historic Punjar Palace and Explore the historic Punjir Palace and Elavila Punjira. Day 4, excursion to Wagaman Hills and Maramala Waterfalls. Day 5, relax at Aruvikuli Waterfalls before departure. Mornings are ideal for temple visits and boat rides. Afternoons can be spent exploring markets, museums, and cultural sites, while evenings offer opportunities to enjoy Malabar cuisine at local eateries and witness traditional performances such as Kottayam Thullal or Kathakali. Kottayam is generally safe for travelers with a visible police presence in major towns. However, visitors should be cautious of strong currents while swimming, keep valuables secure, and stay informed about weather alerts during the monsoon season. The district maintains strong trade links with the neighboring districts for agricultural inputs and with the state of Tamil Nadu for fish exports. Its rubber and spice products are shipped to markets across the Middle East, Europe, and North America, fostering international trade relations. Kottayam is known as the land of letters due to its high literacy rate, the city of rubber for its vast plantations, the historic St. Mary's Church dating back to the 4th century, and the Kottayam boat race held during Onam, drawing participants and spectators from across the region. In some, Kottayam District, nature's palette of hills and waterways stands as a harmonious blend of natural beauty, historical depth, and cultural richness. Its welcoming people, diverse attractions, and growing infrastructure make it a compelling destination for travelers, investors, and those seeking to experience the authentic spirit of Central Kerala. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.